By CONJURE AI token. So this token came under the symbol of CNJR. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account first and keep following the updates about this token. Now, after that, as you can see, this token is available, as you can see in the screener. If you don't have an account on it, let's go and create one. Now, before that, you can see that the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That's mean your investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, go and copy the token address and remember this token under the Solana network. Now, the best wallet for that is Phantom Wallet. Now, open your wallet and after that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click here and now paste the token address as you can see. Now click on your token and as you can see, so enter how much you want to buy with a few seconds, and as you can see, it's how much you receive that token. Now select the provider, for example the Origin plus Mentora DLM via or the Mentora via Jupiter. Select one of these, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Now after that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to complete the buy process. Now after that, if you face any issue, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or customer, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy CONJURE or CONJURE AI token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.